I have made the LED distance light indicator. In this project, I have used Arduino IDE, ultrasonic sensor, 1K ohm resistors, LED lights and jumper wires, and a power supply cable. LED 1 is connected to pin 2 of Arduino, LED 2 is connected to pin 3, LED 4 is connected to pin 5 and LED 5 is connected to pin 6 of Arduino, whereas the ground of ultrasonic sensor is connected to the ground of Arduino. The trigger pin is connected to pin 11 and echo pin is connected to pin 12, whereas VCC is connected to 5 volts. If the distance is less than or equal to 15 cm, LED 4 will turn on, and if the distance is less than or equal to 18 cm, LED 5 will turn on. Otherwise, it will all turn off.